What is up, everyone? Welcome back to the Crypto Blitz, your home for your crypto fix. I'm your host, Ripple Van Winkle. Hopefully everyone's having an amazing day. It's Thursday, almost payday Friday, almost a weekend, almost Super Bowl. I'm ready. Hopefully you're ready as well. Hopefully the Philadelphia Eagles can pull this one out. Thank you to each and every single one of you that came out to the live stream last night. Over 2,000 people showed up from Twitter and YouTube. TikTok got up to around 3,000, give or take, before we started to lag out on TikTok, and the stream eventually dropped. But you know what? That's what happens sometimes. Nothing you can do about it. In this episode, we're going to review the markets. We're going to talk about the tweet from Trump that was heard around the world. The most bullish signal, the most bullish indicator that we should all be looking for. Because to me, the indication from this tweet is that it is about to be go time. We're going to talk a little about Ondo Finance because I think this is going to be one of those crypto assets that everyone should have in their portfolio. So without further ado, sit back, relax. Let's jump into it. Bitcoin, $98,982, currently up about 1% in the past 24 hours. Ethereum coming in at 2,808. It's currently up 0.78%. And our beloved XRP, it's in the red a little bit, trying to recover on the Allery, coming in at $2.44. Total cryptocurrency market cap, $3,247 billion. Now, I've been paying attention to the charts very closely. We're going to jump into the XRP chart just a little bit. It doesn't look good on the short-term scenario, but you know what? The long-term price chart, everything looks just fine. If you actually just take a step back and zoom out, you will still realize that we are up over 400% within the last 3 months. So all is okay in the XRP hood. Now, we talked about this yesterday. TLN, folks, this is something you need to get a bag of. I don't care how big that bag is, but you need to get a bag of it. The maximum supply in this thing is 500 million. There's only about 2 million currently in circulation. This thing is going to explode. You know what happens when it goes on to different exchanges. When it hits another exchange, the price goes up. Just got relisted on Bitmart. It is now on Uniswap. I forgot to drop the contract address down below. I'm going to put it in there. A sleeping giant, and the utility for it, it's here. Web-based, mobile-based trading card game, minting site, pack openings, token accepted to drive utility and to drive value, to bring a deflationary aspect to it. This is what you should be looking for in a project. The tick is right here. Do not sleep on it. I'm telling you, because you're going to hear the ticker TLN. I'm going to show this to you in a couple of weeks, and you're going to be like, holy crap, I should have got it at 2 cents because it is now 10 cents, 20 cents, 30 cents, wherever the price may shoot. It doesn't take much to move. There's not a lot out there. So it doesn't take a lot of money to move this thing. Pay attention. And then we did it from the account. From Lux Lion's account, bada beam, bada boom, TLN is live on Uniswap. And as we move past TLN and we get into some of the news over here, we got a golden age in digital assets. The goal, laying out the first objectives for crypto policy. The first step is a stablecoin bill. When we see a stablecoin bill, do you think Tether is going to pass? I don't. Which stablecoins do you think are going to pass here? Are going to be a part of this bill? Are going to get through the frameworks and all the check marks? I know 2. And that's about it. I only know 2. USDC and RLUSD. You are already seeing Tether being delisted in Europe because of MiCA. This is getting removed. They are going to need stablecoins to step in to replace Tether. They're not just going to have USDC. They're going to be adding in RLUSD to this. We just saw RLUSD got 2 new partners yesterday as well. And now the US is looking to take the lead here. And we're going to be getting a stable coin bill. Listen up.
Let's get to a lot of news out of Washington with regard to crypto regulation. On Tuesday, the White House crypto and AI czar, David Sachs, held a press conference alongside members of Congress with the goal of laying out the first objectives for crypto policy. Now, Sachs said at the event that he looked forward to working with lawmakers to create a, quote, golden age in digital assets. Now, the first step of which seems to be a stablecoin bill introduced by Senator Bill Hagerty earlier that day. Now, that bill, backed by Senate Banking Committee Chair Tim Scott, looks to create a clear regulatory framework for stablecoins. Now, also on Tuesday,
this is what we need, everyone. This is a step in the right direction. They are finally doing something. Gary Gensler, Jay Clayton, all the years that they spent in their positions did absolutely nothing. Trump comes in, and with a matter of what, 2 weeks, he appoints a crypto czar, and this crypto czar is already up on stage doing these press conferences telling you that as we speak, the new rules, the new law of the land is being drafted up. So that gets us over to the XRP chart. Here's what we're looking at. We always use this chart because it's very, very simple for everyone to understand. Your green line that you see right here, that is your short term. You need 2 candles to be closing above it. Currently under it. That's okay. You need green to be above purple. You can see right here on the 2nd, February 2nd, 4 days ago, the green dropped under purple, resulting in a bearish downtrend. We want that to flip. And then finally your yellow, which is your long-term price indicator. We need 2 candle closes above there. We almost had them on Monday and Tuesday. We didn't quite get them. We dropped a little bit lower. This can all rebound very, very fast. But right now, short term, I'm expecting we're going to be stuck in the mud. We're going to be floating around this $2, low to mid $2 range for a little bit, maybe another couple of weeks before I think this thing re-erupts to the upside and gets back into that $3 range. And then we can talk about those targets we talked about on this channel for the end of Q1, beginning of Q2, $4 to $5. We hit those numbers, $4 to $5. Guess what? We're going to be perfectly lined up for a double-digit XRP towards the end of this year. And then today, a day for the record books for Ondo, folks. I'm going to play the video. You're not going to hear it. I muted it. I don't know if it's copyrighted. It might be. This is going to be a day where you look back on Ondo, in my opinion, and you're going to say, holy crap, and only if we did a little bit of research on what they are doing. The Ondo Summit is going down today. They are launching a global market for tokenizing U.S. stocks, bonds, and ETFs. AKA Wall Street is finally coming on chain. We are talking about trillions of dollars in real world assets. We know Ondo just formed a partnership with Ripple to bring this over to the XRP ledger. This is a win-win for both assets. Not financial advice, but if you're an XRP holder, there is absolutely no reason you should not be holding Ondo. Here's the chart. The chart is starting to look very bullish. You see your 8 EMA in green? It's about to cross over purple. That's bullish. We need 2 candle closures above the green. We got one. I have a feeling we're going to print the second one today. If that happens, 2 candle closes above green, green goes over purple, you have your short-term and medium-term price confirmation that it's bullish, that it's going to be going up. And then to top it all off, we get 2 candles above yellow, which we've been flirting with it, folks. That's a long-term indicator. And it's going to confirm an overall bullish trend for us here. Pay attention to Ondo. I am telling you right now. And then we get the tweet of all tweets. Mr. Eric Trump comes out last night. He says it feels like a great time to enter Bitcoin, aka to buy Bitcoin. Why would Trump be coming out and saying this? He just said it about Ethereum. Now he's saying it about Bitcoin. Who do you think is giving him the go sign, the green light here? That, hey, It's time to send this thing. Get in, load up. We're about to pump Bitcoin. He's getting the signal from someone. He's not just randomly coming out here with this information. They are told information. Do you not think they are connected with the big boys, the banks, the institutions, the market makers, the exchanges? Of course they are. They know what's going on. This to me is the ultimate tweet. I'm just waiting for the tweet, and I know it's coming one of these days where he says, man, it sure does feel like it's the right time to buy XRP. I'm going to leave it like that, folks. Pay attention to TLN, contract address below. Pay attention to Ondo, and pay attention to XRP. Wash your damn hands, be nice, and be kind to each other. Ripple Van Winkle is out.